you're searching for uPVC window and door repair in St Helens, watch this before you spend thousands on replacing them. In this episode, every job has a story. Local expert Mark shows how professional uPVC repair can transform your home, saving money, improving energy efficiency and restoring your security. You'll also hear from the homeowner about her experience before, during and after the job, and why trusting a St Helens specialist makes all the difference.
The energy, especially with the energy prices now, so we'll put a soft coat low E glass in with a warm edge spacer there to keep the heat in. Condensation issues, draft issues, rusty mechanisms, not locking, squeaking, all the hinges rusting up, not operating proper. So yeah, them's the main issue. Well, the new glass that we'll put in, which is the low E glass with the warm edge spacer, that'll stop all the condensation on the bottom, or 90% of the condensation what people get on the bottom of the glass. It'll also reflect the heat back into the house, and if the temperature of that one particular room is 25 degrees, the glass will keep the temperature in that room at 25 degrees. Right, so we'll start by, if they're having a full upgrade, we'll take all the glass out of the frame and the sashes first. Then we'll strip all the sashes, we'll take all the hinges off, the mechanism off, the handle off, and we'll take the gaskets off if needed. Then we'll do a chemical clean on it, clean out all the drainage channels, we'll clean all the profile internally, and then we'll do a deep clean on the external profile, and then we'll start fitting back the hinges, handles, mechanisms, gaskets, and then at the last bit we'll reglaze it. Well, they're going to get upgraded on the glass, which is going to be the best energy efficient they can get at the moment. Obviously that'll keep the heating bills down. It'll stop the drafts when we do all that and when we do all the mechanisms. So yeah, it'll keep all the energy back. Again, noise reduction, energy bills, they can turn the thermostat down, all the glass, everything's working smoothly, operating properly. Handles, with the new handles on and the hinges and the mechanisms, the windows will operate as a brand new window.
These doors and windows were put in 2002, so they were well used. All the mechanisms started getting stiff, the handles were floppy, couldn't close them properly, just generally wear and tear. I did think about replacing them completely, and then I was looking around and the frames still seemed pretty good, and the cost of replacing all these windows would have been quite high. So I decided to look to see if I could find someone who could replace the mechanisms and the handles to make it just the job a bit easier. Oh, definitely. Well, yeah, while the work was being done, it was really straightforward and hassle-free. Yeah, Mark just comes and goes, just gets on with his job. Calls me if he needs to tell me anything. So yeah, it's good. Firstly, the sound. It's a lot quieter. I can't hear any wind blowing through or anything like that. How sharp they look clean and basically back to new. Yeah, so I'm really pleased.
Whether you need uPVC window repair or door realignment in St Helens, choosing the right tradesperson can save you time, stress and unnecessary costs. Mark's work proves that expert uPVC repair can make old doors and windows look brand new again. Comment down below and we'll send you our free uPVC repair pricing guide so you know exactly what to expect to pay before you book a job. Every job has a story. Find trusted local experts in uPVC window and door repair in St Helens at myhomeimprovementhub.com.